Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the glider in Fish. This handy item lets you soar through the air, making exploration much easier and opening up new areas. Before you can get your hands on one, you'll need to gather some in-game currency, known as tokens or $. You'll also need to purchase a boat, which is essential for traveling to the islands where the glider is sold. The easiest and most recommended place to purchase your glider is at Rosslet Bay. Here, it costs 900 tokens. To get there, simply sail straight from Moosewood, your starting island. Once you arrive, head inland to find the angler NPC. The glider will be located right next to Ash by a cozy campfire, ready for you to purchase. If Rosslet Bay isn't your first stop, you have other options. Desolate Pocket also sells the glider for 900 tokens, but you'll need to buy diving gear and explore the desolate deep to find it. Another location is Ancient Isle, where the glider costs 1,035 $. While Ancient Isle is more accessible by boat, it comes with a slightly higher price tag. Once you've acquired your glider, using it is straightforward. Simply assign it to one of your hotbar slots for quick access. When you're ready to take flight, jump from any elevated position and activate the glider. You'll then be able to glide gracefully through the air, covering long distances and reaching exciting new places, such as the challenging brine pool.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.